this video we will make this project. So this is your isometric view, this is your front view, top view, and the right side view. All views are given according to first angle of projection method. So in orthographic, first and third we are using. So according to first, all views are given here, you can see. So let's start. So you can see from the front side, this is your front view. I'm going to start from the front view. So simple L shape, L section I'm going to create first. So length is 100 mm, height is 75, and width is, you can see, 15 and 20 mm. Okay, so just create a profile. So you can create with line, profile, or rectangle. I'm going to create from profile. So just create a, so just see coordinates values. I want to make from the center. You can create from anywhere, no issue. So just define this values, how much, 75, and this length will be 100 mm. Then next click OK. Now I am going to offset it. Also you can create directly with profile and you can define all dimensions, but I am defining here offset for showing more options. You can just change your reverse direction as a reverse direction, apply, and also define this value is how much, 22 mm. Just define 22 and then apply. So guys, this value will be 15 mm, not 12 mm. So just define 15 and then click OK. Now just close your all ends. Yes, close it with the help of line or profile. First and second point. Just escape it. Just escape. Next we have to extrude this profile. So always try to create symmetrically, because of maybe in future you need to mirror some profile. How much you have to extrude? 64 mm. From this view also you can calculate, and from top view also you can see 64. So just go for values and define in symmetry 62 divided by 2 because of n condition is symmetrically. Okay, next I am going to apply this chamfer. So in isometric you can see chamfer dimension is given, and also right side view you can see both values is 16 mm. It means you need to apply chamfer. What chamfer? Symmetric chamfer. Just select your type and then define how much, 16 mm. Then click on both edges. Then click OK. Okay. Then next what we are going to create? We are going to create this profile. Okay. So just to create this profile with the help of line or profile or rectangle. Okay, 3 values are given here, you can see. So let's start. So I am going to create a rectangle. After then I will create that slanting line. So create a sketch on this face, and now you can create with corner or center rectangle. Okay, anyone you can try. I want to try with center rectangle. Just create a rectangle and define that values. Okay, so define that values. Oh sorry, so because position is not defined, this is not coincident with this origin point, that's why my object is moving. So just to move it, otherwise cancel it. Just go for, okay, just try to define once. No, it's better that choose a corner rectangle. Okay, so what was the problem? Because of there was no any relation between origin and that any edges. Okay, so just define these values, how much values we have to apply. Just define this line length. Okay, how much values you have to apply? 30 mm. Then next, what is the width values you have to apply? 12 mm. So you can see You can see here this values. So in just a second, I want to apply this coincident with bottom line, or you can also apply distance between two boundary and at edges distance how much 0 mm. Okay, so also you can align, you can apply coincident, you can apply 0 mm values. Okay, just now I want to make symmetric. Go for make symmetry, select both end line and then center plane. Now your object is symmetric. Next I want to create this for the sloping area. I am creating a line. Okay, simply both end, and both end just create what is the value, 60 degree. Okay, so 60 degree from the base you can see here, and from top if you want to define then you can calculate. Okay, 90 minus 60, then it will be 30 mm. So I am applying from the bottom, no issue. For baseline, so select your baseline and this line. So what is the angle value? 60 degree. Okay, then press enter, and this side also I am applying same. How much? 60. Now trim your unwanted sketches. So this profile we don't need actually. We need closed profile only. Okay, there is no any profile. It is closed loop. Finish your sketch and then go for extrude and subtract it. Select, change your direction, and how much you have to cut. How much you have to subtract first. Okay, how much? You can see this dot line mean through all you have to remove this. Okay, so through all you have to remove. Just see carefully this dot line from starting point. You can see from here to this is starting point. Mean you have to cut out. Just click on until next. You can see. Okay, so cutout is ready. So next what you have to do, you have to apply this rib option for supporting purpose. Okay, so some values is also given. Okay, this sloping line you have to create. Then this is 70 mm and this is the 40 mm. So all dimensions are given. So just go for mid plane, mid front plane. Okay, and then click a line. Simply just create a line, and now define your values. So what values you are going to define first? This is how much? 70 mm. So just define, just a second, just define this and this point. How much you have to define? 70 mm. Okay, the next this vertical dimension you have to apply. How much? This is 40 mm. Just define 40 mm. Okay, now your profile is ready. Just finish your sketch and go for rib. Go for more and select rib option. And nothing you have to do. You have to select your curve. Sorry. You have to select your curve, not any plane. Okay. So select your created curve, and then in symmetric you have to define how much values. You can see 12 mm. Okay. So what values you have to define? From this top view also you can see 12 mm. Just apply 12 divided by 2, 6 mm. Click OK. Okay guys, so your profile is ready. Now you can hide your sketch, or show and hide option, and hide your all sketches. Close it. So this is your project. If you want to see in different views, you can see. So just change it as a wireframe. Okay, and go for orientation, go for top view. So this is your top. Okay, you can see here, this is your top view. Next go for front view. So this is your front view. So after creating your project, you should match according to all views. So what views are given in drawing and what you make. Okay, so this is your isometric view. Change it as a isometric view. If you want to apply any color, you can apply. sorry, go for edit object display and apply any color. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you understand very well. If you having any doubt, you can ask in comment box. Thank you so much guys.